She was exhausted, trapped in a marriage that felt more like a cage than a partnership. There was no love left, no happiness, just resentment and frustration. Finally, she'd had enough. She turned to her mother with a chilling resolve. "Mom, I'm done. I can't take it anymore. I want to ruin his life." Her mother, a wise woman with a knowing smile, listened calmly. "If that's what you truly want, I can help you," she said. "But you'll need to follow my instructions exactly." "Anything," the woman replied. "Just tell me what to do." "Here's the plan," her mother began. "For the next month, you must act like the perfect wife. Treat him with kindness and respect. Speak to him gently, with patience, and avoid arguing. Compliment him and show gratitude for even the smallest things. Take care of yourself, your appearance, your health, so you exude confidence. Occasionally, slip a bit of extra money into his wallet. Show him you care in ways he might not expect." The woman frowned but reluctantly agreed. "And then what?" Her mother handed her a pouch filled with a mysterious powder. "Mix this into his meals every day. It works slowly, no one will suspect a thing." Eager to see the plan unfold, the woman followed her mother's advice to the letter. A month passed and the woman returned, this time in tears. "Mom, stop the powder. I don't want to hurt him anymore. He's changed completely. He's kind, attentive, and loving. He's the man I've always dreamed of. Please tell me how to undo it." Her mother chuckled warmly. "My dear, the powder was just vitamins. It was never about him. It was about you. When you changed how you treated him, he responded in kind. You weren't poisoning his life, you were poisoning your marriage with negativity. Love, care, and respect transformed your relationship, not magic powder." This story reminds us of a simple but profound truth. The way we treat others often shapes how they treat us. Men aren't inherently unkind or inattentive. It's how we engage with them that often draws out their best or worst selves. When we approach relationships with love, respect, and care, we don't just change others, we change ourselves. And when that happens, we often receive love in ways we never imagined. Let this timeless lesson guide you. When you give love generously, you often receive it back tenfold.